I'm Ryan, CEO of Plus X Energy Age Technologies, or PXET in short. I'd like to bring us back to what's happening all over Malaysia, where the words businesses and suffering often appear in the same sentence. It is said that tech and digitalization can help businesses through these pandemic times. Well, for us at Plus X Energy, we would like to open up the energy data to more business owners during this difficult time. Hence, we will be offering a digitalization solution absolutely free of charge, meaning at zero cost, to building providers who want to know the makeup of their energy profiles and where they can save. We believe that the move as such could help not just the building providers on saving electricity, but also independent businesses, small business entities to better manage on electricity. We believe that this will help shape a collective understanding of how much energy our community consumes, the profile, and thus provide a better, faster insight on how we can together make pragmatic steps in reducing energy wastage as a whole. This energy profile solution takes the form of a report which helps discover if you are overpaying on electricity each month and gain insights on how to reduce energy consumption and manage electricity-related charges, such as maximum demand. We feel that at a time like this, businesses would benefit from knowing what leakages they face in terms of energy consumption and how they can be a better consumer of energy. This would be a first in the market for Malaysia, as many service providers charge for such services. Businesses who are keen to find out what and where their energy consumption is like can take this as a first step in embarking on an energy-related self-improvement plan. Just visit our free energy report website.